Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Kalpesh Rathod from Chennai. Today I have come up with new stock for investment purpose. The name of the company is SKF India. The price of the company today is 2294 rupees. EPS of the company is 54. Price to EPS is 42.5 times. Industry P is 35 times. Presently, the stock is trading above industry P, but good companies many times trade above industry P. Book value 268. Price to book is 8.5 times. Face value 10 rupees. Promoter holding 53%. Dividend yield is 0. Debt to equity 0.04, which is very good. ROCE 5 years 24%. ROCE last year 28%. The stock, it is in bearing industry, fundamentals are good, so it can be considered for investment purpose. Now let's go to the technical reading. If you look at the daily chart of the stock has given breakout from downward sloping channel. The target comes 2400, then 2500. After that, the stock will be in uncharted territory. As per the weekly chart, the stock gave a breakout above 2085 levels, then rallied till 2500. Then the stock retraced to retest the breakout point. Now again started going up. First target would be high made by the stock, that is 2500, and if cross and sustain above that, then the stock can rally till 2900. Whenever the stock gives a breakout and it comes down to retest the breakout point, it is always good. It means the breakout will sustain little longer. Now let's go to the monthly chart. The stock made a high of 2200 and then made a low of 1400. After consolidation, it break out about 2200 on monthly candle by closing above it. As per this, till the stock does not give a monthly close below 2900, does not give a monthly close below 2200 levels, the stock has the potential to go till 3000 level. Disclaimer: kindly consult your financial advisor before taking any trade on my study. It is purely my study which I am sharing with you. Consult your financial advisor before taking any position. Now let's look at the chart. This is the daily chart. As I told you, the stock has given breakout from downward sloping channel. The target comes to 2400, then 2500 levels. After that, it will be in uncharted territory. This is the weekly chart. The stock gave a breakout about 2085 level and rallied till 2500 level. It retraced to retest the breakout point, now started going up. So first target would be 2500. After that, it can go to 2800 to 3000 levels. This is the monthly chart. As you can see on the monthly chart, the stock made a high of 2200 levels, then corrected till 1400 levels when the COVID crisis came. After consolidation between 2200 and 1400 levels, the stock gave a breakout on the monthly candle by closing about 2200 levels. Now it is sustaining about that. Till the stock does not give a monthly close below 2200 levels, the stock has a very good potential to achieve the target of 3000 level. Kindly consult your financial advisor before taking any trade. Thank you. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel.